Hey YouTube, this is a new project. It's a Farmall Model B. Just got it running and first drive. I'll show you the video of that. Needs a lot of work still. Apparently it's got a leak in the back. Transmission somewhere, got to figure that out. I acquired it from a friend actually, who kind of gave it to us for helping with some stuff. I don't know a whole lot about the Farmall B, other than it's basically the same as the Farmall A. So at the Farmall A, the the engine and everything mounts to the side, and this mounts center. And I think this is a 3-row, and that's a 2-row. And then this is more, the seat and stuff's more off-centered compared to the A, but the engine and everything's the same. Again, more a John Deere guy, so don't really know a whole lot about it, but kind of a neat little tractor. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Again, it needs a lot of work still. This cold winter day. It does have a belt pulley on it, which is cool, and a PTO. I guess that was an add-on option. It does have lights. Now, unfortunately, the serial number tag's gone because the seat's been replaced, and the mount for the seat's been replaced, and the mount is the piece that had the serial number tag on it. A lot of bad wires, but we ran all new wires to what mattered to get it running and just disconnected everything else. So we'll redo all those wires a little later as well. Also, you'll notice that the flap never went up on the exhaust when I was driving it around. That's because it's got a hole in the manifold right there. So the manifold's gonna need to be replaced. Other than that, I think it's gonna be a pretty fun little tractor. So stay tuned, and I'm sure you'll be seeing more of it.